Do you spend hours to get ready but feel like it does not look that good on pictures? Well, I have the perfect look for you guys. The easiest tutorial to look glamorous in Instagram pictures. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you guys a makeup look that will look good on every picture you take. Doesn't matter what the shape of your face is, your eyes, lips, nose, how different it is from me, but it will look good on everyone, especially on the picture. This makeup was my go-to makeup in 2023 and I have experimented other looks for pictures, but I trust this makeup look a lot. If I want to have very good pictures for Instagram, I always go for this makeup look because I know it will always look beautiful. And as you can see, I have started with SPF. I have also put moisturizer on my face. This makeup is very base makeup focused. You have to have a very kind of blurred type of base because I want this makeup to look very filter like, beauty filter like. So the base has to be very blurred and as much airbrushed we can make. If you have pores like me, don't forget to use a pore filling primer. So you can use any primer you want, any primer you have. Like if you have dry skin, you have to use a very hydrating primer along with your moisturizer. My base products gives me a very matte finish as I have oily skin. I'm not using any mattifying primer because my foundation, concealer and all the other steps are very mattifying focused. So as a primer, I'm only using the pore filling one. This is the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I know a lot of people who don't like primer, but I don't know, primer always works for me. I often forget to apply, but if I am very dedicated to have a very nice base, I will always apply primer. So I let my primer to absorb on my pores, and now I will do my brows in this time. So I don't know if you guys know, but I have the most simple brow routine ever. I just only use a very dark chocolate brown eyeshadow for my brows, and I just use the angled brush and fill my brows and then use concealer to define it. If one thing I want to teach you guys in this video is that you have to do your brows. Doesn't matter how simple it is, even if it is the most simple routine like me, but you have to do your brows to achieve that filter like makeup look, because just eyebrows makes the biggest difference. Doing our brows just makes your makeup look so much more professional and put together, so you have to do your brows. And I also recommend using concealer to define your brows. Just look at the difference. The only difference is concealer. A flawless base like a beauty filter does not include dark spots or hyperpigmentation, so I'm going to color correct all these using a concealer exactly of my own skin shade. Now I go with my favorite foundation. I have no words to describe how good it is, especially with this affordable price. And I only use just one pump of this foundation because when it comes to foundation, the less the better. And please don't forget your neck. Now I'm going with the Illegal Pro Concealer to highlight my face. And I will let my concealer to sit for a minute like this for maximum coverage. And I will blend the concealer on my under eye in a way that it snatches my nose, because I will contour my nose later and it will be quite sharp. And then I of course bake my under eye. This Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and take a powder puff and bake my under eyes. Also apply my powder the side of my nose like this, contour my nose. I don't bake the rest of my face, just slightly press the powder. So while I bake my under eye, I do the rest of my eye makeup. I only use bronzer as an eyeshadow. Will put it all over my lids I'm gonna scoop it outside because it will like blend along with my bronzer. Now I will of course add some eyeliner. Eyeliner makes everyone 10x prettier. First I start with my wing. I will blend the powder that I left to bake and I don't dust it off. I will wear my favorite lashes. These are from Lola. While my lash glue dries, I use a nude eyeliner on my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. White eyeliner also does the job, but the nude ones just look more natural. Finish the eye look, I will add the bronzer on my lash line like I applied on my lids before. The eyes are complete. Now I will do the bronzer and some blush. So I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I also used on my eyes to contour my face. And I like to look very like sun-kissed. One thing about beauty filter is that they always transform your nose. So I like to like draw these two lines from both sides and I like to make sure that they are really close. Then I blend it. As I baked this part earlier, so it already looks quite snatched. Everyone has different nose, so just drawing two lines and then blending it doesn't work for me. I also have to like contour like this. And then I contour rest like this. I took some powder and I'm cleaning the edges. Now I used this lipstick from Nior. It's barely there. It's their number 19. I don't know if the shade is still like this because they changed the shade name and formula. But I just use it and now I will use a light pink shade on top. The makeup look is complete. So I hope you guys got some inspiration if you want to do your makeup or some Instagram pictures. Very classic Instagram makeup vibe. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.